The secondary school of village Efremkina is implementing a project with the support of the Civil Society Assistance Fund of the Republic of Bashkortostan. This project, Hazina, is about the production of Bashkir national jewelry. It is aimed to preserve and develop the state languages of the Republic of Bashkortostan. A masterclass on making jewelry of the southeastern and southern Bashkirs has started. They will create national brass jewelry called silter. The students were glad to be involved in these activities. The first classes were devoted to making the basis for jewelry. They made patterns, prepared sketches, and chose fabrics with materials. The participants of the master class would individually choose colors, along with forms of future jewelry pieces. They also learned to decorate with a beaded net and coins. By the way, the Bashka ornament is almost always multicolored, with the predominance of warm colors like red, green, and yellow.